Hi, my name is Bhushan.
Hi, my name is Tarun Jaiswal and I am from 15 batch.
I am Manish Kumar Meena from the batch 2015.
I am Sakradar.
I am Mamta Yadav from BSMS batch 2015.
Shreyas Samaga.
Sonal, batch 2015.
I am Rahul, batch 2015.
I am Abhinandan Gupta and I played basketball for 5 years.
So my sports is volleyball, basketball and kho.
And I play volleyball.
Kho-kho, football, athletics and volleyball.
And I have participated in Kho-Kho and athletics in the IISM.
Athletics team for the events 400 meter relay, long jump 100 meter and 200 meter. I play cricket. I represented ISR Bhopal at 4 ISM starting from 2016 to 2020.
And I've been a part of the ISRB tennis team at all the 5 ISMs.
So first question is, what does ISM Glory feel like?
It's an amazing feeling.
It feels really awesome. You practice for several months with your teammates and in the end you win some matches and maybe a medal. It feels really good because your hard work has paid off.
It's like our dream comes true, and it was the proudest moments for every contingent of ISR Bhopal, like we felt last year.
It's awesome to have wonderful memories and fun along with the games. And
But the feeling when ISRB's name is announced for the overall champion and the whole contingent starts cheering with joy, that's something that cannot just be described. It's totally amazing.
I mean, you have to be there to feel it.
Yeah, the second question is, what are your happiest and saddest moments at ISMs?
Every moment was filled with energy and adrenaline, so there is no sad part in it. We embrace even losing with sportsmanship.
Okay, so happiest was in Mohali when we won football finals. It was happiest because it was very unexpected. We had a very fresh team. We made that team just 1 week before the ISM, and we won the championship. We never thought that we'll reach finals, and then we won it.
The happiest moment was the moment I hit a game winner against either TVM to complete a comeback win. And the saddest moment from ISM was the moment I ruptured my thigh muscle and was unable to play any further.
My happiest moment was lifting a championship trophy under my secretary tenure of Sports Council.
Happiest moment would be ISRB winning trophies.
When we became the champions in Kho-Kho in the year of 2016, in that match we defeated ISM Mohali in the finals, and it was the happiest moments for me.
2018 में हम लोग ISM खेलने गए थे नाइजर भुवनेश्वर में, तो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम बास्केटबॉल खेलने गया था, एंड देन आवर गर्ल्स थी उसने सिल्वर मेडल जीता. देन उसके बाद जो मेडल जीता उस चीज के लिए बहुत अंदर से बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही, बहुत खुशी की फीलिंग आ रही, तो वो मेरे लिए सबसे हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट था.
So during my first ISM, I beat my namesake from ISR Pune. He was a 6'3" or 6'4" guy, and it felt like a 9-foot machine serving at me. But I somehow managed to win that match, so that's possibly my happiest moment at ISM.
Saddest moment, that was again the football finals in Mysore when we lost in finals, and it was very saddening for me especially because mine was the last penalty and I couldn't score, so I really felt bad at that moment.
Not getting qualified to semi-finals during the Mohali IISM.
19 में अभी जो 19 था उसमें हम लोग मतलब लास्ट डे था, लास्ट नाइट थी वो, ठीक है, तो बैठे थे वैसे सोच रहे थे, फील आ रहा था अंदर से कि यार अब ये सब कुछ जो हमारे सामने जो ये माहौल चल रहा है ये हमको शायद ही फिर दोबारा कभी मिलेगा नहीं एक तरीके से, ठीक है, हम यार ये सब कुछ बहुत मिस करेंगे, तो वो सबसे सैडेस्ट मोमेंट था.
What will you miss most about ISM?
ISM practices were very good. Like 15 days before the tournament, we had to practice day and night for it.
I guess everything, ISM have been a very important part in all, in my ISO journey. I used to wait for ISM.
I can still hear the chanting Bhopal, Bhopal in my head. Not a batch, not a department, and not a Mallu. It's just ISR Bhopal.
How all the batches from ISR Bhopal would get together and fight against an entire institute. Like during matches, we'll all get together and cheer up for the teams, whether it is mine or somebody else's. We'll cheer up for them. That I think I'll miss that most.
the all memories, and also cheering and hooting for Aisa Gopal during any game is just something which is worthwhile to have once you pass out.
The energy, the vibe, everything was so good. People rooting for you, you're playing so many, meeting new people, you know, watching so many good players.
यार आईएसएम में मतलब सब कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो तुम मिस नहीं करोगे। वो तुम्हारे साथ में एक रूम में सब शेयरिंग करना, वो सब अपने करना वहाँ बैठ के, और ट्रेन की जो जर्नी होती है वो, तुम्हारा जो नाइट मैच होता है लोग रूटिंग करते हैं तुम्हारे लिए, वो तुम नाइट में खेलते हो, जो तुम इधर उधर दूसरे के मैच में इनकरेज करते हो लोगों को, वो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आती है उसको।
But I guess mostly I would miss playing for my, you know, college, having my name of my college in my jersey.
What were the biggest rivalries of your time? Can you tell us about your favorite match?
Girls volleyball team, I would say ISL Pune.
I think the biggest rivalry has to be against ISR Kolkata because we are used to lose to them again. We used to lose against them a lot, but this time at ISM Pune we got to defeat them after we were losing initially, because in the first set I think we were down by 7-0, but then we started picking our rhythm, and then in the end we won the match in straight sets. So I think that was my favorite match.
The biggest rivalries in Kho is between ISR Mohali and ISR Bhopal.
During my time, the biggest rivalry ISR Bhopal had in cricket was against Kolkata and Pune.
So, I think ISR Kolkata was a good opponent for our 400 meter relay, because I remember that we won the gold medal through a photo finish. That was a very energetic and enthusiastic moment for me.
Okay, so biggest rivalry in tennis was always Bhopal versus Mohali.
Favorite match? Yeah, so when in 2016, when we had this Kolkata ISM, we had a volleyball match against Kolkata. It was around 7 or 8 p.m. and suddenly the light went off, and that match was very interesting at that moment. And the light went off, and the players couldn't play. So they hold it for some time, and at that time, we played Antakshari with, the audiences, the ISR Bhopal people and ISR Kolkata people.
So सबसे जो रिवॉल्वर मैच था वो मेरा आईएसएम कोलकाता के साथ था। अभी जो लास्ट आईएसएम पुणे में जो हुआ था, तो उसमें क्या था, हम लास्ट 3 टाइम से आईएसएम कोलकाता से हमेशा वॉलीबॉल हार जा रहे थे, पर जो लास्ट टाइम था उसमें हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब इतने 3 साल के बाद जाके वो मैच जीता, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जीता, वो भी 2-0 उसमें जीता, तो वो बहुत अच्छा मतलब मेरे लिए रिवॉल्वर टफ मैच भी था एक तरीके से।
Any funny moments or bloopers?
There are many. I can't cover it all here.
So in my last year, while we were practicing for a match against ISR Kolkata, there was a guy who was 6'5" in height. So we had the defenders place a bucket on their head to match his height. That was very funny.
So ISR volleyball team used to choke every time we played a semi-final. We choked when we play in ISM Kolkata, ISM Mohali and ISM Pune, because in all these 3 we played the semi-finals and we were in a good position. We were winning and then we choked and then we lost. So now that I look, those were really sad moments for me back then, but now that I look back, I think they are funny.
Funny memories, I would say, just sitting after the game during the night and having a friendly chat with all your friends and making fun of each other. That's one of the things.
Next is, what are the best slogans you have heard being raised?
Tilmil, Doom Dadaka, Kolkata.
One is from IAC. It's not a slogan actually. It just...
So it made absolutely no sense, but it was very catchy, and it felt nice to kind of see the whole IAC contingent chanting it together. So the slogan was
something like ta hiya hua IAC.
Okay, so there was one slogan we used, that was 10 rupees ki Pepsi, ISR Bhopal sexy.
There is one, it's pretty lame one, but I like it. It's from our senior, Coca-Cola, ISR Bhopal, Atka Gola.
What are the best ways in which you have passed time apart from playing?
तो सबसे अच्छा टाइम पास करने का जरिया था कुछ नहीं, जो अपने साथ में जो आए लोग खेलने के लिए, जैसे खो खो खेलने आए लोग, जैसे बास्केटबॉल कोई और दूसरा गेम खेलने आए, जैसे क्रिकेट खेल रहा है वो, कोई और कुछ गेम खेल रहा है, तो उन दूसरे गेम में जाके कोई बैडमिंटन खेल रहा है, कोई पीटी खेल रहा है, तो उन दूसरों गेम में जाके उन लोगों को एनकरेज करना, उन लोगों को पुश करना गेम के प्रति, और मतलब मोटिवेट करना उनको, ताकि उनको लगे कि यार हाँ हम जीत सकते हैं। तो बस वो फीलिंग, मतलब जाके माउंटिंग करना सबसे बेस्ट तो वही तरीका था ना। फिर नाइट में तो था इधर से उधर कहीं भी करना, आउटसाइड चले जाना, सिटी में चले जाना जिस दिन मैच नहीं हुआ था, तो वो सबसे बेस्ट था।
Hooting. If I don't have any match, I'll go to other matches of ISR Bhopal and hoot and
I used to roam here and there along with my friends and comparing their facilities with our ISR Bhopal.
Roaming around the campus and having chai and samosa in the canteens were one of the best ways we spend time apart from playing.
What message would you like to leave for the future ISRB contingents?
I would say must take part in ISM. It's an amazing experience and take it easy, play hard and have fun.
Whenever you're playing any match, don't just think of winning it. More than winning, it's important that you enjoy, being on field. And second, just increase the practice. And I've seen that nowadays people are not, they want to play, but they don't want to practice that much. So please practice. And finally, we are champions for the past 2 years, and I hope that आगे भी रहे. So enjoy and make ISR Bhopal proud.
So I would like to say that it's not all about winning. Whether you win or lose, we'll be leaving ISM with some beautiful and energetic moments. So it's all about the experience. If you get a chance, don't miss it. Trust me.
I'd say that being part of the ISRB contingent at ISM is something to take pride in, and that it's not an easy job to represent your institute at such sports events. So yeah, people should participate wholeheartedly, and
It's okay to lose. It's okay, and it's really nice if you win, but it's okay to lose. Stop putting blame on others. Start owning up to your mistakes and try harder. That's it.
इससे पहले यहाँ आने से पहले किसी भी चीज़ को कभी खेला भी नहीं, कभी टच भी नहीं किया था कि बास्केटबॉल क्या होती है, वॉलीबॉल क्या होती है। तो तुम बिल्कुल इस चीज़ को मत फील करना कि यार मैं एकदम नया प्लेयर हूँ, कैसे प्ले खेल सकता हूँ, कैसे आगे समझा सकता हूँ। तो तुम इस चीज़ को एज ए मोटिवेशन ले सकते हो।
Please play ISM if you get a chance, because that's something worthwhile and it gives you a chance to represent something bigger than just your personal life at ISR Bhopal. And also it gives you a lot of memories and a lot of different, it's a roller coaster of memories which can be worthwhile once you pass out and share it with your friends. Thank you.
I would like to say that you can make your career in sports also. Do regular practice. I have started my Kho career in ISR Bhopal itself. I gave my Kho trials for the Bhopal team in the year of 2018, and I got selected in that team, and I represented Bhopal in the Open State tournament which was held at Jabalpur.
आईएसआर में पढ़ के अगर कोई बंदा आईएसएम नहीं जाता है तो उसके लिए इससे बड़ा कोई रिग्रेशन हो ही नहीं सकता है मेरे ख्याल से। तो क्योंकि यार वो मतलब आईएसआर के सबसे बेस्ट टाइम होता है। तो जो 5 दिन मिलते हैं ना, तो अपने पूरे 5 साल के पूरे 1 साल के बराबर वो 5 दिन होते हैं, इतने बेस्ट होते हैं वो दिन। तो उनको मतलब कभी मिस करना ही नहीं चाहिए किसी भी तरीके से, क्योंकि अगर तुमने उनको मिस कर दिया तो मतलब बहुत कुछ खो दिया। इतना लाइफ में इतना ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है उन चीजों से कि तुम इन फ्यूचर अगर एक तो तुम लोग नई जगह जाते हो, नए लोगों से मिलते हो, एक टीम बनती है, ठीक है, एक टीम की तरह तुम काम करते हो, एक फ्यूचर में तुम्हारे अंदर एक स्किल्स डेवलप हो जाती है ऑटोमेटिकली कि कैसे मैनेजमेंट किया जाता है, कैसे एक मैनेजर बनते हैं। और आई होप सबको पता होगा कि मैनेजमेंट की कितनी अहमियत है अपनी लाइफ में आगे। तो मतलब बहुत अच्छा है यार, जाना चाहिए एक बार जरूर, एटलीस्ट एक्सपीरियंस के लिए जाना चाहिए, ठीक है। और अगर तुमको मेडल जीतना है तो मेडल यार बिना प्रैक्टिस के मेडल नहीं मिलेगा किसी भी कंडीशन में।
ISM is the best thing that happens in ISR, I think so, and everybody should participate. It keeps your mind as well your body very fit, and you are left with a lot of memories. Thank you.